Alright people, you can probably guess where I am. That's right, Spanish Landing. It's been several weeks since I've been out fishing here, so I figured I'd get a little Saturday morning, early afternoon session in. I think it's like 10 a.m. Saturday, September 28th, something like that, towards the end of September. It's really gorgeous out here. A little wind, not too bad. It's probably like 70 degrees. I'm gonna get the fish finder on and look at what the temperature is in the water, but it didn't feel that bad when I was putting in. So with that, I'm going to turn the camera off, get my gear ready, and toss some lines in. So see you in a minute. There's Spotty Boy. Am I recording? Yes, I am. There you go. Fish number one of the day. Thanks, dude. On the 1/4 ounce brown and silver, my go-to. Holy smoke, that dude took a dip. Holy. That's a legal Spotty. That's a big boy, I think. Oh yeah, nice. Dude, you put up a fun fight. Wow, that's awesome. Dude, are you kidding me? This guy. It's about a 14 incher. Ooh, fish number 2. Whoa, buddy. This spot is sometimes awesome. Let's see if it's awesome today. A little choppy out here. Lots of people out enjoying the bay. Let's see if post 11 can yield some spotties or calico like I've caught here before. Oh man. Cramped up into that boat. Nice size Spotty right there. Hey buddy. Oh yeah. Big fella. Alright. Swallowed it whole. Hang on, dude. I'm gonna get it out. It's just really, really deep in there. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Let's measure you real quick. It's about 13 inches. Not quite legal. Tiny spotty. There we go. Man, this spot is always sick. Oh, is that a shrimp? He's puked up. Okay, are you done now? There you go. Another nice little spotty. Nice. Nice. Put up a little fight there, buddy. Spot's looking nice right now. Cheers, buddy. Well, guys, I think it's like between 12:30 and 1. Been out here for between 2 and 3 hours. Caught a decent amount of spotties today. I'm just getting tired of getting blown around in the wind. I think it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna leave it here and go take my kayak out at the Spanish Landing Beach, but I'll catch you next time. Cheers.